A common question I get is, should I use lead generation ads or conversion ads driving people to a landing page with a lead capture form? And the answer is, it depends. Truly, when you do split test of this, it is about 50-50. But the main difference is lead generation ads are native to Facebook. So the user doesn't have to leave Facebook to give you their email, to give you their name, their phone number. While conversion ads driving people to your landing page have to take people off of Facebook, so they can be more expensive. So the main difference is conversion ads driving people to a landing page cost more, but you're getting a higher quality lead. Lead generation, you're going to get more volume, but it is a lower quality lead because maybe somebody just uses a throwaway email address to quickly sign up to claim your offer. So here's an example of a conversion ad we have created. Conversion is the objective. At the ad set level, the actual conversion selected is Mod MBA webinar. So we want Facebook to track how many webinar signups we get or convert with this ad. So our ads for this conversion objective are driving people to our landing page. So here's an example of our landing page. The landing page should just be an expansion of the ad offering. So in the ad, I say free course, top 10 proven marketing tactics to skyrocket your business overnight. So when they click that link, it takes them to this page where they can input their name and email address to claim this free course. So typically I use conversion ads when I want a higher quality lead and when I have a lot of information to share with this potential lead or potential customer. I have an entire landing page dedicated to information on this free course. Whereas a lead generation ad is just not as much content, so you need a little lower barrier to entry there, such as a free giveaway or a free contest. One more note on landing pages: eliminate as many holes in the funnel as possible on your landing page. As you can see, there's only one way out of this page. Input your name and email and click Claim Now. There's no header with a homepage button, no contact us button, no holes in the funnel. You want all the traffic to your goal to convert them to a lead. So to learn more about landing pages, head over to coursenvy.com/what-is-a-landing-page. So here's an example of a lead gen ad for another client of mine. Like I said, lead gen, more volume, lower quality leads. So I'll use this for things like contests or giveaways or free items, such as this free steak giveaway. So I'm collecting these email addresses and names at 17 cents per lead. So as I mention in this course often, it's always better to target a warm audience or someone familiar with your brand. But when you're looking for new customers or new people to possibly enter a contest like this is when I like to use lookalike audiences. So this one, I'm using a lookalike audience of people who have purchased on our website. So if you don't have any custom audiences, that's fine. Let me show you an example of another client. So this client is giving away a free course. It's actually a free online class. So I'll be using a lead gen because I want volume. I want as many people as possible providing me their email address in exchange for access to this free class. So we're in our ads manager, click create. Then we select lead generation. Scroll down, turn on campaign budget optimization. We'll do $10 per day to start. We can always scale that up once we start to see a successful ad. Every 2 to 3 days, I'll scale it up, no more than 30%. So this is a new ad account for this client. So we'll click that. United States, LA, that's fine, continue. So first, under the ad set level, we select the page we want to link and capture these leads for. So Got Game Sports is this client's page. Scroll down, this is our audience targeting. So I have the specifics here: USA, moms 25 to 50 with kids 4 to 12. So let's do that. US, great. Age 25 to 50. And female. Women. Okay, edit this. So detailed targeting, this is where we can narrow down parents. So parents. Okay, it is 4 to 12. So select all parents again and then toggle for each age. So 9 to 12, 3 to 5, 6 to 8. So we have our window there. 4 to 12. We have 3 to 5, 6 to 8, and 9 to 12. So great. Let's scroll down here. We're good. We don't want to expand this because we know our target audience. So we'll keep it as that, 3.2 million people. Scroll down. Automatic placements is fine. So for this, we already have a commercial in place. So I select single image or video. Scroll down, clear our images, add video. And then you can upload that file from your computer or just select what you've already uploaded in the past. So continue. Okay, so we have that set. Now we fill out our ad itself. The primary text, we have that. Great. Okay, so paste that in. Kids driving you crazy. Join our free Got Game classes hosted 100% online to get your children the daily exercise they need. Okay. Now headline, free virtual PE classes. Description, we can leave that. Display link. It's their URL, so sign up. Now we need to create the form to capture this user's information. So we click new form. So for this, we want the most volume possible, so we keep that, more volume. Settings, I want it open. I want people to be able to share this form. So let's say one parent sees it, they can share it with another parent so that parent can sign up. I don't want it restricted to people that the ad is delivered to. So open, back to content, intro, so headline, we can take that. Always keep it relative to the ad. So free virtual PE classes. Upload our image for this lead form. And then we can select layout of paragraph or bullet points. We have bullet points here. There we go. We have our 3 bullet points. Sign up by providing your info below. We can edit that under questions. That's fine. We'll leave that as default. Email, full name, and child's age. So we want to add a new question. Short answer. There we go. Email, full name, child age. So we're good there. Privacy policy. This is where you want to input your actual website's privacy policy because you are capturing emails and names and potentially phone numbers and contacting these people off of Facebook. So we just copy it from this client's website, paste in here, link text. We'll just copy the name here. Privacy policy. Okay, looks good. Thank you screen. Now we change our headline. Thank you. Click the button below to join our virtual PE classes. So here's the link to that landing page we want, and that will be the button link. So I'll change this to a better call to action with a little more sense of urgency. Join classes now. Okay, so we look good. Let's just review this. Okay, this looks good. Scroll through again. Thank you. Click the button below to join our Got Game. 2.0 virtual PE classes. Join classes now. Okay, this looks great. So finish. Okay, so here's our ad. When people play the video, click the sign up button. This form will pop up. So let's just click confirm to launch this ad. Once this ad is launched, you'll want to come to your actual Facebook page, the one we linked with the ad itself on the ad set level page, Got Game Sports. So I'll show you an example with Coursenvy, facebook.com/Coursenvy. Up in the top nav bar in the drop down, select Publishing Tools. and it's on the Publishing Tools page under Lead Ad Forms. Click the Forms library. And this is where all your lead generation ads will populate your leads. So the leads will be available for download up to 90 days after they're registered. So make a note to come here and download this regularly. The most optimal option is connecting your Facebook page with your CRM, your customer relationship manager, such as MailChimp or whatever your email platform is. But this does require a paid tool, Zapier.com. So it's really easy to set up, but it does have a monthly cost, and it will integrate your Facebook page with your CRM. So Facebook lead ads can be linked with up to 2,000 apps. It can populate it in a Google Sheets, it can send you a Gmail, it can add it to your MailChimp, and so on. So if you don't want to pay for Zapier right away, that's fine. Like I said, Publishing Tools, Forms Library, and download this every couple days. And add these emails to your CRM so you can follow up with them and send them what they claimed. Because while, yes, they signed up for this instant form, sometimes users will miss this. They'll get through this whole thing and be like, oh, I didn't see where to go. They missed this Join Classes Now button. I get that for 5 to 10% of my users. So follow up with them in an email with this link, this landing page link right here, just to double confirm that they got access to the thing they signed up for. Now, as you can see, just over 24 hours later, we have 47 leads at 28 cents per lead. So we can just export those from our Facebook page and then follow up with them to close the sale. At this point, since I know my target market, the ad set, if I want to lower this cost per lead, I can create a split test or a duplicate and adjust the ad, adjust the image, the ad copy, the video, and see if I can lower that cost per lead. But when I'm paying over $4 for a landing page conversion lead, I'll gladly take this high volume, lower quality lead generation ad lead at just 28 cents. Thanks for checking out Coursenvy. Please take 1 second to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. These 3 things are the key to getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results.